Hello children, today I am going to explain chapter 3 of social studies, globe and map. The earth is huge in size. The entire world is a part of the earth. We can see the world with the help of map and globe. Now I will tell you what is a globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. It shows the different continents and oceans of the world. A globe helps us to see where the different countries are located. It is like a ball. It rotates on its axis. Now children, I hope the globe is clear to you. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. Now what is a map? A map is a picture of the earth on a paper. There are different types of maps. Maps show the entire earth and the world with all the countries, oceans, rivers and mountains. Maps help us to locate places. Maps are also hung on walls. Such maps are called wall maps. Now children, what is a map? A map is a picture of the earth on a paper. Now, what are continents? The 1/3 land area of earth is divided into continents. A continent is a large body of land. It may consist of one country or several countries. There are 7 continents in the world and they are Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America and South America, and India lies in Asia. So what is a continent? A continent is a large body of land. And where does India lies? India lies in Asia. Now next is oceans. The 2/3 portion of the earth which is covered with water is divided into 5 oceans. They are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. What are oceans, children? Ocean is an ocean, and ocean is a large body covered with water, or large water bodies are known as ocean. Now, what is an atlas? An atlas is a book which contains different kinds of maps of the world. An atlas is clear, children? What is an atlas, children? An atlas is a book which contains different kinds of maps of the world. Now, directions. As you know, there are 4 main directions. They are north, south, east and west. A map also shows these directions. The north is at the top, the south is at the bottom, the east is on the right hand side and the west is on the left hand side of a map. Children, I hope the chapter is clear to you. Now there are some points to remember. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. Like earth, globe can rotate around its axis. Map is the picture of the earth on a paper. Continents are large bodies of land. Oceans are large water bodies. North, south, east and west are the 4 main directions. Let us come to the exercises. First, we will do fill in the blanks. A globe is dashed on its axis. A globe rotates on its axis. Then next is a dash is the picture of the earth on a paper. Can you give answer? Okay, I will tell. A map is the picture of the earth on a paper. Third one is there are dash continents in the world. How many continents are there in the world, children? There are 7 continents in the world and India lies in Asia. Next is on the dash side of a map. Where does east lies? East is on the right hand side of a map. So fill in the blanks are clear to you, children. Let me explain this activity. What you have to do in this activity, on a map of Asia, show the location of India. You have to take the map of Asia. I know that you will not get the map now. Afterwards, you can do this activity. You have to take the map of Asia and you have to locate India. India, your country. Okay. Now, let's do question answers. Yes, children, now let's come to the question answers. Our first question is, where is the world? Can you give answer? Where is the world? Okay, let me give this answer. The world is the part of the earth. Entire world is the part of the earth. So what is our first answer? Our first answer is the world is the part of the earth. Now next is, what is a globe? Yes, now you can give answer now. Okay. A globe is a small model of the earth. You must have seen the globe also. So what is a globe? A globe is the small model of the earth. Question number 2 is clear to you, children. What is a globe? Okay, now let's come to third question. Name the continents and the oceans. How many continents are there, children? There are 7 continents. And how many oceans? There are 5 oceans in the world. Now let me name the continents. The 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America and South America. Let me repeat. The 7 continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, Antarctica, Australia, North America and South America. I am asking this question again, that where does India lies? India lies in Asia. Now, how many oceans are there in the world? There are 5 oceans in the world and their names are as follows. Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Oceans are the 5 oceans. Now all the 7 continents and 5 oceans are clear to you, children? Okay, I hope they are clear. Now let me proceed to next question. Question number 4. Name the 4 directions and write where do they lie on a map. The 4 main directions are north, south, east and west. On the map, the north is at the top, the south is at the bottom, the east is on the right hand side and the west is on the left hand side. So, all the 4 directions are clear to you, children, and where do they lie? I hope all these question answers are clear to you. Now what you have to do, you have to, okay children, now in this chapter we read about globe, map, continents, oceans, atlas and directions. Now I hope all these points are clear to you. What is a globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. What is a map? A map is a picture of the earth on a paper. Now next is, what is a continent? A continent is a large body of land. Now what are oceans? Oceans are large water bodies. What is an atlas? Atlas is a book of maps of the world. Then what are directions? There are 4 main directions: north, south, east and west. So this chapter is clear to you. All these, what you have to do, children, now you have to revise this chapter. You have to do the exercises. I have not given the answers, but we have discussed. So you have to write answers on your own and you have to copy down the question answers. Question answers I will send in PDF. I will send PDF with this video. So question answers you can copy down from there. But book exercises, fill in the blanks, you have to do yourselves. So I am not giving the answers in written. I am not giving the answers of fill in the blanks in written because I want you to write so that you can revise. Is it clear, children?